Hello mga kapuso, I'm Sean Lucas and this is Give Me 5. Mag-enjoy kayo kasi ang daming mga fantastical things na mangyayari. Iiyak din kayo. Some tragic things will happen too. Masya-shock kayo kasi the story will take many twists and turns na di nyo i-expect. Expect nyo na marami kayong matututunan kasi ang ating My Guardian Alien ay maraming facts na naihanda para sa inyo. Expect nyo na mag-enjoy kayong manood with your family kasi it's very family-friendly para sa anak nyo, kay tita, kay tito, lahat pwedeng manood. For more exclusive videos and content featuring your favorite Kapuso stars and shows, please visit gmanetwork.com and you can also follow me on my social media. That's @SeanLucas everywhere.